The primary goal of our course and our camps is to make sure that you're ready for a job market as soon as possible. And that's why it's divided into three. The first one is where you learn the technical skill. That choice, that path that you've chosen, whether it's Salesforce or cybersecurity or Python development, that you are strong in it, that you are ready for the marketplace when it comes into it. The second part of the camp is the internship. And that's where you actually work on a project with a company. And you're the business analyst. You're meeting there, you're gathering the requirements, you're putting it together in the BRD and implementing it and going through the testing and doing analysis in SQL to kind of show the data back to your stakeholders. And then finally, getting ready for the workplace, where we help you with your resume. The experience that you had with the internship is reflected there. Your profile's online, so recruiters can find you and you can find jobs very easily, as well as interview questions. There's about 50 or 60 interview questions that are most common that usually come. We want to make sure you're ready for it. But now the first one, which is the most important one, is the technical skill. One thing that's important with our online with instructor courses is it's live. It's the instructor is there to share the screen. If they're talking about how to do security, create users and profiles and roles, they're doing it there in front of you. And they will create a user and a second user and a profile and a second profile. If we're doing business intelligence, reports and dashboards, they created the report, they create the dashboard, hands-on in front of you. So what happens when you see it, then they're going to ask you to share your screen in most cases. When you share your screen, you're going to create that user, you're going to create a report, you're going to create a dashboard. What happens is it's hands-on. That's why our learning over the years have proven very successful and very efficient, because our students are not learning theory or just words or memorizing information, but they are working hands-on on actual work that is easy to retain, easy to remember, easy to explain what you've done in the interview so you can line the job. And that's why we learn that technical skill hands-on so that we have all the expertise and it well prepares you for the workplace.